Today, I'm going to share a secret with you, something that might just change your life. Yes, the one big mistake that almost every guy makes in their 20s. And trust me, figuring out how to get it right isn't easy. But the answer to this question, it could be the game changer you've been looking for. Your 20s, they're the years where you define who you are, where your decisions shape the direction of your entire life. This is the time when you ask yourself, who am I? What do I want to do? And most importantly, how am I going to get there? But are these questions truly guiding you in the right direction? So, what do most people think? They believe that the biggest goal of their 20s is to succeed in their career. They think if they land that high-paying job, climb the corporate ladder a bit, or build a successful business, then life will be set. But here's a hidden truth. I've seen people with amazing careers whose personal lives are falling apart. They're constantly searching for happiness, satisfaction, and a true purpose beyond work. And then there are those who believe that finding the right relationship is the key to happiness. They think if they could just find that special someone, then everything would be fine. But can one relationship really solve all your problems? Because let's be honest, if you're not happy with yourself, no relationship can fill that emptiness inside. Then, there are those who chase external validation. They think that if they get the right car, wear the right clothes, have the latest gadgets, and gain a big social media following, then they'll be seen as successful. But all that is just an illusion, a facade. It doesn't give you the real happiness that reaches deep within. So then, what's the right answer? What's the one way to escape this maze? I believe the right answer is balance. A balance that includes self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and above all, prioritizing your personal growth and mental well-being. When you strengthen your inner foundation, the right people, the right opportunities, and the right career will naturally come to you. When you know yourself, when you understand your thoughts and goals, you're not just drifting through your 20s, you're moving forward with a purpose. Emotional intelligence is also a huge factor. It helps you understand your emotions, manage them, and understand the emotions of others. When you have this skill, your relationships are stronger, your communication is more effective, and you can handle even the toughest situations with ease. But here's a strange truth. Working on your personal growth and mental health isn't glamorous. It's not something you can flaunt on social media, right? It doesn't give you bragging rights with your friends, and it doesn't bring instant results. Yet, I believe it's the one thing every guy gets wrong in their 20s. Imagine, with a strong foundation, you'll have the strength to face any challenge, any highs and lows that life throws at you. A foundation that becomes your rock in every situation. And this is the question I want to ask you. Are you truly prioritizing your personal growth and mental well-being? So, what's the most important lesson in your 20s that could change the direction of your life? It's this. Your 20s are not just about achieving success. They're about building a strong foundation within yourself. When that foundation is solid, the right relationships, the right career, and the right opportunities come to you naturally. In conclusion, I hope this video has given you a new perspective on what truly matters in your 20s. Remember, it's not just about achieving success, it's about building a strong foundation within yourself. So, take a moment to reflect on your life, prioritize your personal growth and mental well-being, and move towards a balanced life. Thank you for watching. If you have any experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below.